In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to find your follow requests within the Threads app by Metacall Threads. If you're eager to navigate this new app and locate your pending follow requests to enhance your follower list, let's dive right in. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once on your profile page, you'll notice an option labeled Followers at the top left corner. Tapping on this will display a list of your existing followers. However, this list won't show the users who have sent you follow requests. To access your pending follow requests, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a small heart-shaped button. Give this button a tap. After tapping the heart button, you'll be directed to the Activity section. In this area, you'll encounter a comprehensive list of all the accounts that have requested to follow you. Review the list of follow requests in the Activity section. For accounts you wish to welcome into your followers list, tap the Confirm button. Conversely, if you'd prefer not to allow certain accounts to follow you, hit the Hide option. Select the Confirm option for each account you're comfortable adding to your followers list. This action will approve their follow requests and subsequently increase your followers' count. That's it. You've successfully managed your follow requests on Threads. By following these steps, you've either approved or hidden follow requests from your account. Feel free to inquire about any uncertainties you might have by leaving your questions in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon